In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses face a big question. Where should you focus your marketing energy? Email marketing or social media? Let's break it down and uncover why email marketing often outshines social media when it comes to niche market success. First, email delivers higher conversion rates. By targeting your niche audience with personalized messages, you're not just reaching people, you're converting them. Second, it's cost-effective. Email campaigns are affordable, measurable, and deliver one of the highest ROIs in digital marketing. Third, email offers precise audience segmentation. You can tailor every message based on interests, behavior, or demographics, perfect for niche markets that crave personalization. Fourth, you own your list and data. Unlike social media, where algorithms decide who sees your posts, your email list is yours. You control the communication. Fifth, automation makes it easy. From welcome sequences to re-engagement campaigns, email marketing runs on autopilot, saving you time while nurturing leads. And sixth, detailed performance metrics let you measure everything: open rates, clicks, and conversions, so you can optimize for better results every time. Meanwhile, social media faces real challenges: algorithm changes, content overload, privacy restrictions, and rising ad costs. So what's the solution? Combine the precision of email with the reach of social media for a truly powerful, integrated marketing approach. Ready to make your marketing profitable and predictable? Let MailerRocket help you boost quality clicks and drive consistent sales. Visit MailerRocket.com and start today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to stay tuned for our latest videos.